5 biggest rules to become financial strong. Number 1. Never upgrade your lifestyle too fast. Control your spending before your spending controls you. Number 2. Don't go broke trying to look rich. Live like an undercover millionaire. Number 3. Marrying the right person is key to building wealth. Choose wisely. Number 4. The biggest risk is living on one income stream. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Number 5. Never live bigger than your paycheck. Spending more than you earn is financial suicide. Drop 100 if you watched this far. If this video's helped you in some way, this account is definitely for you.